Okay, so as you can see, this is a sun porch here in Wisconsin. This screen is some of your old typical aluminum screen, which is very loose, very ripped apart over the years, and has these things which obstruct our view. And we're going with the screen tight mini track system to replace all of these. So these openings are about 8 feet tall, and they have, they're each slightly different in width. As you can see right here, we're just starting to take off some of the old wood. Looks like everything underneath is pretty good still. So we're gonna start with this window, and we're gonna see what happens. All right, so we're getting started here this morning. We've got everything all painted, and we're going to start putting in screws for the mini track, as you can see right here. All right, so to draw the line where we're going to put the screws, I'm using this as a jig. Just so happens to be the exact measurement we wanted for the depth of it. Use a white pencil, whitish. The jig is a really good idea. The next step is marking your pilot holes. Start 2 inches from each edge. Then mark for screws evenly spaced every 8 to 10 inches. When it's all done, it should look like this. And now we drill our pilot holes. Remember, don't go too deep. Then we drill in the screws. Check for depth using a small piece of the track. Make any necessary adjustments. And give it one final test. And we're ready to cut our track. You're going to want to be careful here. Oops.
Action.
So this is 38 inches, and you're supposed to put a mark every 8 to 10 inches for the screws. So now I have to do math.